Hello friends, here is some flares for social media, like a post banner. You can edit in Photoshop. These are PST file and protected. Password in Israel. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Okay, so you can import your own photo or you can write any text, but first you need your PNG photo. For example, you see here, here you import your PNG. This one. Wow, Christmas. Okay, so you need a PNG photo. For example, open this one and you see here adjustment, text, design, image. Import your image here, any PNG, and last is background. You see here is change color. Okay, here is the background. That's mean you can change everything. Okay, no, same thing is here and here. Open your photo. Double click and open a photo, for example dark photo. Control S. You see here, and you can apply your own photo or depend your own choice. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me.